welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Today I'm here with like a kind of haul video, but also like a summer outfit ideas video. I'm basically going to be showing you 3 different outfits that I think are perfect for like if you're on holiday or just in like a hotter climate. All the pieces are from Matalan because they're very kindly sponsoring this video. So yeah, I picked out some pieces from their website. They have so much like good stuff and everything's so affordable as well, which I know you guys will love. So yeah, everything will be linked down below if you did want to go check anything out. But I'm gonna get on with the outfits now, and I'll be telling you kind of like what the prices are, what sizes I got, everything like that. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so this is the first outfit. Super like comfy, chill. I feel like it's so easy to chuck on just like over a bikini during the day, or you could definitely dress it up for like in the evening when you're on holiday. But yeah, so what I have on is this little like black ribbed top, which kind of has like little buttons down the middle, which I think is really cute. This was £8 and I got it in a size 8. I've then got on these white linen shorts. These super cute. They're not like see-through at all, which is great. I feel like the length of them at the back is really nice. They're not kind of too short. And then they just tie it in the middle. They have little pockets, which anything with pockets, I'm sold. But these were £12 and I got them in a size 10. And then I paired them with these little like white sliders. So easy to kind of chuck on when you're on holiday. I feel like they look really nice as well and super comfortable. And then this little brown kind of wicker basket bag, I'd say. Yeah, it's super cute. Like, I absolutely love the shape of this. I think it's so good when you're on holiday. It fits quite a lot in it. Like, you can fit your phone, your purse. But yeah, you'll definitely be seeing it in my other outfits as well because I'm obsessed. It just goes with everything. So yeah, that is the first look. Let me know if you like it, if you'd wear it. Yeah, let's move on to the next look. So this is the next outfit. I feel like you can't beat like a summer dress when you're on holiday. They just look so pretty and they're like easy to chuck on, really comfortable. They kind of keep you cool. So this one I have is this little like yellow and white polka dot dress. So cute. It has like buttons down the middle and then it kind of ties at the back as well. I absolutely love the length of this. You guys know I'm quite tall, so I find a lot of summer dresses are just way too short on me, whereas this one's like a really nice length. It's not too long, but it's also not too short. And then I paired that with the same little bag, which you guys know I love, and then also some brown sliders. And then price wise, the dress was £14 and I got it in a size 8. So for this outfit I have this beautiful white midi dress. I just think this is so nice for like summer evenings. If you're on holiday and you're going out for dinner, it would look gorgeous. Or if you're just going to maybe like a summer barbecue, something like that. I think this is like the perfect dress. Ties in the middle, which is really nice, and it just has these like little tortoiseshell buttons. It has a little bit of like a slit here, and you could definitely undo a few of the buttons if you wanted the slit to come like slightly higher. But I just paired it with some little like black espadrille kind of wedges, and then of course the same bag, which I love. So yeah, that is this look. The dress, I think I got it in a size 8 and it was £18. So super affordable, but I feel like it looks really expensive. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which outfit is your favourite. And of course all the pieces will be linked down below if you did want to go check anything out. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!